Hey everyone, Andy here from TechOBS, and today I'll be showing you how you can convert an image to a video using AI. So over here I have two different websites to convert that. One is Runway and the other is the popular Luma Dream Machine. So over here I have signed into these two websites and we'll be using an image as an example. So we'll be using this, this popular meme image over here, and we'll be converting this to a video. Now let's try it with Luma Dream Machine. As you can see, I have already made one over here because the queue takes a lot of time, so I had to give it some time and then pre-upload it. So over here you can see that this image over here has been converted to a video. Let's see it in full screen, and you can see over here that it is kind of creepy, but it actually did the job really well over here. So as you can see, these two girls are actually moving, and with the lady over there, and the underwater skeleton over here is also moving, which is really amazing. So you can also add a prompt. For example, with this image, I have told the AI that let the guy drink that Mountain Dew over there, and it did exactly that thing. So yeah, this is actually pretty cool. And I've also made the same edited image to video with Runway. So if you go over here from home and then go to generate videos, then go to text or image to video, you can see over here that you can upload your own image and then convert that image to a video. So for your collections, that what you have converted, you can go to all assets, and then you will find the image to videos that you have edited. So let me go inside here. So I have actually made another format over here. You can see, let this image load up for a minute. You can see the chat, the Giga chat is talking, and the nerd is actually arguing with it. So over here, let me show you the original picture. So it looked like this pretty much, and I have converted it, but it has made it look a little bit more 3D. So I would prefer the Luma Dream Machine, which everyone does, because this one does a better job at it. However, if you're out of credits or you are in a timeout, you can use Runway to do the same thing, although Luma Dream Machine does a better job at it. However, Runway does it pretty quickly compared to Luma Dream Machine. So I would recommend starting off with Luma Dream Machine, and then if you're out of credits or out of time, you can go ahead and try Runway. So that is pretty much it on how you can convert image to AI. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this. So thank you.